you guys exactly how you're going to promote your business and market your business through Instagram. So let's get right into this video. The number one social media you need for your business is 1,000% TikTok. I don't care what type of business you have, you need a TikTok for your business. I have a video specifically about how to make your business go viral on TikTok right here, so I do suggest starting with that. The reason why I emphasize TikTok so much is because that TikTok account is going to also allow your Instagram account to grow. TikTok has a button to where your customers can click on Instagram or your YouTube channel if you have a YouTube for your business to directly go to those links, which is awesome about TikTok. Therefore, TikTok can allow your Instagram to grow while you're already growing your business on TikTok, so it's a win-win either way. And don't feel like you're too late in the game to start a TikTok right now, because I actually started a TikTok 2 months ago and I'm already at 60,000 followers. So let's go ahead and take a look at my Instagram account for my business. So when I first started my Instagram for my business, I was actually not sure. Even though I had a marketing background in Instagram, I still didn't quite know exactly how I should market my business and get on that explore page on Instagram. So if you guys can see from down here, I really was just posting pictures, which I'll scroll down. So if you guys see the first couple of pictures that I posted, they were just pictures and I just used like hashtags, like a couple hashtags. I wound up just turning off the comments. And I just really didn't know how to market my business through Instagram. So then I started to think in terms of, okay, use 30 hashtags. Like, we're allowed to use 30 hashtags per post. So let me just go ahead and try it out. So I found 30 hashtags that I use on almost every single post that I have found, and I don't even think I'm using the full 30, but I'm definitely using quite a few. So I felt like these hashtags really did apply to my business, and they draw in customers that are going to be interested in my content, not people that are also small business owners. That's the one thing you want to be careful of that I was doing hashtag small business owners, and not like, why would I want to attract small business owners? I need to attract my target audience. So the first thing you want to do is establish hashtags that are in your niche. And how you can do this if you're not really sure of like what hashtags are big is you can just go ahead and like go to the comment section of your video and you can actually type in you know, like a hashtag. Like if you were doing fitness, like you could type in fitness hashtag and you guys can see all of the hashtags that are available. And obviously if you're a new account, you want to scroll down and use hashtags that don't have so many posts. So you can see this Fitnessgram has 346,000 posts. So I would go ahead and like use that one if you're a smaller account, and then just scroll back up and use a couple of those big ones as well. Another thing you can do is kind of just look at other people's postings and see what they've used as well. With a business account, I kind of don't feel bad spamming. If I post 3 to 4 times a day, I don't feel bad, to where if I was on my own personal Instagram account, I wouldn't feel comfortable posting that much. But on your business account, you can just really post 3 to 4 times a day, and I really don't think it will affect your engagement from your audience or make people unfollow you, because the way Instagram's algorithm is anyways, they really don't show all of your posts on the home page. Again, this is why I recommend TikTok before Instagram. So there's actually been a rumor about Instagram, and Instagram is now leaning more towards videos rather than pictures and showing more video content than photos. Honestly, I think it's to try to keep up with TikTok, because I do think Instagram is slowly dying, and that may be why, but that's just my personal opinion. Instagram you can still use as an amazing way of supporting your business and marketing your business. And there's also a way that you can connect your business's Facebook account to your Instagram. I did that, but I haven't kept up with it, and I really don't think that matters as much. It is cool because it does put your business on that shopping page, which is cool, but I don't think it's definitely like the key to market on Instagram. But I will give you guys an updated video on that, on how to link and make a Facebook for your business, and then how to link that through Instagram, because you never know, you may bring in customers that way. So everyone kind of works differently. Otherwise, they can easily just click the link in your bio that you're going to click shop here, and click the link in the bio to allow them to go to your website. So I also included a lot of highlights here. I have a review highlights, a business tips highlights, because I do have this YouTube channel that I want people to see if they wind up needing business advice. I also have a tab for shipping, which shows my customers just like proof of me shipping their items, just to gain trust with the customers. And then of course I have a Boba Baby one just to show off my products a little bit more. And then you can add a couple other highlights of other products that you have. So what I've been doing personally is I've just been recycling all of my TikToks to Reels. So at first I was just posting regular posts. Then I heard this rumor that they're boosting Reels. And all of a sudden, I just started recycling my TikToks and just posting them on Instagram. So my plan is to make TikToks and then just taking those TikToks and putting them on my Instagram and then putting the same hashtags on the Instagram ones and then posting them to Reels, and Instagram has really been promoting them to a huge audience. So I have been getting a lot of sales through Instagram, which I never really had before. Instagram is now paying for Instagram TV videos as well. So that is another small way that you can make passive income through Instagram as well. You guys actually have asked me, how can I repost the TikToks to Instagram without having the TikTok logo on the video? So I'm going to show you guys how to quickly do that right now, just so you guys have that. So when you do recycle your TikToks to post on your Instagram account and to just have more exposure, you will know exactly how to do that. So first you're going to go into TikTok and you're going to find the video that you want to save. This one of the frog boba babies. So first you're going to click on the 3 dots and then you're going to go over to live photo. You're going to allow that to convert to a live photo, and then you can see it saved on your device. Then you're going to save the TikTok with the TikTok logo to save as the audio, because a lot of times the photos haven't been working. So I just want to show you guys, this is the way if the live photos are saving without audio, which a lot of times they do. So then you're going to click on the video that does not have the audio, the live photo that you saved from TikTok. You're going to click on this button, and then you're going to click on save as video. That's going to save it as a video. So then you have one with audio, one without audio. So then you're going to open the app InShot. InShot is my holy grail. I use InShot literally for everything, even my TikToks. So then you're going to go in and you're going to pick the live photo that we turned into a video. You're going to upload that one, and then you're going to just click on the center button. You're going to just center that, take that TikTok logo away, because I do think Instagram will limit your videos if you show the TikTok logo. I don't know, that's just what I think. And then you are going to click on music. Then you're going to click on tracks. You're going to click extract from audio, or extract audio from video, and click on the video you want, and then just import that. So now your video has audio. So then you're going to go back up and save that. And then now you can upload that to Instagram and repost it. So now that we're back on Instagram, we're going to click this button and then click Reel. This is how you upload to Reels. Then you're going to swipe up and you are going to click the most recent video and add that. Then you're going to click Preview. Then you're going to write in your caption here, and then, so you'll leave like frog boba babies on sale now. Then you're going to just space it down and leave that, and then you can put your hashtags, just copy and paste your hashtags to there. So what I do is I actually just keep my hashtags in my notes in my phone, and then I just transfer them from my notes to the Instagram post. There's actually apps you can also use to schedule posts. I'm pretty adamant about posting every day on Instagram, at least once a day. I do want to start posting more on Instagram every day. Like I said, I have done times where I posted 3 to 4 times a day, because again, like, people don't really get as annoyed if it's a business. It's not like you're just posting 4 selfies, you know? So you can really do that as well. So that's something that I did as well. So that is my current routine of how I market my business on Instagram. So again, start with TikTok and then recycle those TikToks to Instagram for the best result. And of course, if you have time, you can throw some nice aesthetic images in there. That's also awesome as well. I have seen Instagram pages where they're so aesthetic, but I am just not at that point yet to where I can organize it. And not only that, but videos do a lot better than just photos, because I really do think TikTok is limiting photos and they're pushing videos more, which has been proven in recent news. So definitely post the Reels rather than the regular posts. You can still post regular videos if you do not have Reels available to you yet. I do know when you start a new Instagram, they don't let you do that yet, but you can do the same exact thing as a post, and Instagram will also boost it. And just, if you don't see results at first, just keep on posting and stay consistent. I did not see them at first either, but the more people that I sent over from TikTok to Instagram, that helped to boost the posts and for Instagram to kind of trust my account. And that is how I was able to grow my Instagram even more within the past couple months.
So another thing I did want to mention that a lot of people have asked me is, do you do giveaway? I did do one collab giveaway with a online biz friend of mine. She has a self-defense keychain business, so we did like a collaborative giveaway, kind of just to show each other off to each one of our followers. I did definitely like that. I definitely felt like this helped us gain followers as well, but I don't think I recommend giveaways as much as others may, because it may limit your audience, and I just don't want people to only be on my account specifically for giveaways. But once in a while, if you want to do a giveaway to give back, then for sure go for it, and it will help you gain followers. But you just want to make sure that you're gaining customers and not just followers. Another thing that I have seen other like clothing brands do a lot is I see a lot of these like to win posts where they want you to tag your besties in these comments, but it's almost like every other post is like tag your friends and like win this, win that. They use a lot of winning captions, like, look, win $100 to spend on Opoly. I don't know how legitimate this is really. I mean, I really have no idea, but I just see that they do this a lot. So I mean, anything in winning or encouraging others to comment is obviously what has helped them to grow, and they're a huge brand, so that's also something that you can use to grow your business as well.
If you have not already checked out my step-by-step playlist of how to start your business, market it, how to build the website for free, etc., I have a whole playlist right here for you guys to follow. If this video helped you, give this video a huge thumbs up and go and subscribe to my channel so I can keep on making educational videos like this to help you grow your business. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys!